So how do you start and stop activity on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because I have plenty of tutorials which I believe you're going to benefit from. Anyways, as long as you keep your Apple Watch on the wrist, it will constantly just track your movements and the calories and the heart rate and all of that. So you don't even have to do anything special for that. But for specific workouts, there is the workout application. You can get inside and browse through all of the workout types. So it might be a walk, it might be a run, and plenty of other ones. If you do not see specifically your workout, just get to the bottom of the list entirely and you'll be able to get to a very extensive and comprehensive list of literally every single workout. So I believe there you'll be able to find yours, but you just click on it, right? It's just gonna start. But before you click, you can actually just begin a different goal or choose a different goal for the workout, because by default, the green UI indicates the open goal, meaning that you don't really care about anything. You just want to get it tracked. But then you can have distance-based goals for running or walking, or calorie-based or time-based. So let's say you just want to work out for 20 minutes, so you can choose that, right? Okay, so you start a workout, it gets tracked and everything. And in order to actually stop it, you need to swipe left on the main screen where you get to the page where you have the pause button and all of the other things. And of course, you can pause and resume, but there is also the red X icon for the end of the session, so you stop the workout that way. So that's how it works. Of course, it will be saved in your health app and all of the fitness stats. So, you're not losing any of the data. That's the point, that the data is collected. So let me know if that is the thing that you had in mind. If you were thinking about something else, which I perhaps did not cover in this video, let me know about it below. Thanks a lot for watching. I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well, but only if you do subscribe. So do that and I'll see you later. Thanks a lot and I'll talk to you then.